Hey guys, it's Bubba here at Fiddlehead. I wanted to share with y'all some stuff that I just bought offline for some upcoming DIY projects. Uh, really enjoy making my own gear and just doing things myself. So I wanted to show y'all what I got, share with y'all what I think about it, and let y'all know where I got it in case you decide you wanted to get some for yourself and do your own project with this stuff. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so what I got here, what I bought is some Ripstop material. It's supposed to be 100% waterproof. It's 100% polyester. So we'll see how it does when I get my project made, and I'll waterproof it or test and see if it's really waterproof. So I'll take it out, and I got this off eBay from Zay1, I believe is how you pronounce that, is the shop. Oh, the wind's blowing everything around. So it feels like really nice material that a lot of dry bags are made out of. So I'm really hoping that it will do good for what I want. It is polyurethane coated. So they claim it to be 100% waterproof. It's actually kite material, but I thought I'd give it a try for making a pack liner. That was my original idea. What I originally wanted to do with it was, I have the Osprey Atmos 50-liter pack, so I wanted to make me a pack liner to go inside of it, and I really liked the color options that they had. I got the Kelly green. They had 5 color options, but this one was green's my favorite color, so I got this, and it will match my pack. And you can get it in 5 yards or 10 yards, and it comes in a single piece, so it's not a bunch of pieces just stuck together. It's one continual piece of material to use, which I really like. I don't think it'll take too much to make a pack liner, and then I should have quite a bit of material left over to make some other projects. I'm gonna probably make a dry bag for a pack liner, for both compartments of my bag, because I keep it sectioned off for the sleep compartment and the main compartment. So I'll probably make a pack liner for both areas, and I'll probably make an extra stuff sack, a waterproof stuff sack for my sleeping system, my underquilt for my hammock, that I'll be making pretty soon. I'm waiting on my stuff to get in here in the mail for that. Let's see what else. Oh, it was only $21.99 for 5 yards of fabric. Not sure how much the 10 yards of fabric is. I will add a link to the eBay shop for it in the description. So if anybody's interested in buying some, they'll be able to find it real quick on eBay. So I also got some of this, the Sundaily seam tape. I've never used seam tape before, so it'll be interesting to see how it works with this material. I know you have to kind of iron this on for it to kind of meld with the material, so hopefully I will be able to do that successfully without melting all of my material up. I'll probably be able to put like a pillowcase as a buffer between the iron and this, and hopefully that will allow it enough heat to do its job and seal the seams pretty well. Hopefully. I will also let y'all know what I think about this when I get my project made. I'll hopefully be able to start on this sometime next week. I will do a tutorial on my pack liner to show y'all how I'm going to do it from start to finish, and then upload it. So be sure and stay tuned for that. Otherwise, I'm pretty happy with it. It seems like it's pretty lightweight material. I just hope it's waterproof as they claim, because I really like it. Let's see if I can pull this apart here. Look at me. So yeah, it feels like the dry bag material. Okay, sorry for the interruption, guys. Had some, I don't know who it was, some government official dude pulled up and stirred up my dogs and had them all barking. Made a big ruckus. So anyway, I forget where I was. So yeah, I hope this is 100% waterproof as they claim. I hope my seam tape works good. Hope I can manage to get that to work out well. It's a really good price on this fabric. I've looked at this kind of fabric at a lot of different places, a lot of local fabric shops, and actually most of our local fabric shops don't have this kind of material available for purchase. So online was my only option, and this was a really good buy for only 21 bucks. It was a free shipping as well. Got to throw that in there. I'll probably buy more if it does what it says it's supposed to do after I use up all this, because this is a lot of material. I mean, that's 15 feet of material. It's also 59 inches wide, so it's almost 5 foot wide. That's a lot of material. So I'm real excited to start working with it. I love sewing, love doing my DIY projects, and I love making anything that's going to contribute to my overall hiking experience. And I'll be excited to make the tutorial for you guys and show y'all how it turns out. I'll do a test run of it, and we will see. We will hope for the best. Alright, stay tuned, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions, or if you have any thoughts on DIY projects or something that you'd like to see done. I can try and do it. I'll do my best. I always try my best to make whatever. If it's to be made and I can do it, I will do it. If it'll save me some money, I'll do it. Alright,